So I have my workbench open here. Let's see how we can import a CSV or an Excel file and how we can create a table using it. So this is the CSV or Excel that I'll be importing. So if you have an Excel file, first you need to save it as a CSV. So what I'll do is I'll go to File, go over Download and click on CSV, comma separated values. And this file will be downloaded as a CSV file. If you are on Excel, you can save as Excel. So it has been downloaded to my downloads folder. Now go back to your workbench and right click on your tables and click on Table Data Import Wizard. And now browse and choose wherever you have your CSV file. Click on Next and click on the table that you want to the database where you want to create a new table for this.
Check out our brand new
CSV,
awesome coding mods. We've got t-shirts, hoodies, we've got stickers for laptops or notebooks, cups, bags, and a lot more. Get it today from the link below.
It will show you how your columns will look like from your CSV. So we have ID, identifier, first name, last name, companies, and so on in our CSV file. And accordingly, these columns will be created for each of these columns. So click on Next, click Next again, and the data will be imported. Now click Next, click on Finish, and click on this button here to refresh, and here you will see imported data is now visible. If I click on this button next to it, as you can see, the data is now imported. Now if you want to import to an existing table, what you can do is, again, let's right click on this and click on Table Data Import Wizard. Okay, this is the default file will be shown that was chosen the last time. Click Next and click on Use Existing Table, and from existing table, let's say we choose this users. Click Next, and here you will see what is to be imported. From here you can uncheck the data that you don't want to import. So let's say we just want to import phone 1, email, and so on. So this is okay. So let me go up here. And here we have, so this is the columns in our CSV source column, and these are the columns in our database. So we have to do one by one mapping. So ID from your CSV will be imported in ID. We will not import identifier. We'll import first name into first name of our table, last name from the CSV into last name of our table, company from, we will not import company, we will not import city. And if we scroll down, we will not import country. Phone 1 will be imported in phone 1, and we will not import, what else do we have? We have age. We will not import email also. Okay, so what we are importing from the CSV, we are importing ID, first name, last name, and phone 1. That is all. Okay, yeah. Okay, we have phone 2 also. Let's import phone 2 from the CSV into phone 2 of our table. Now click Next again, and now click Next and Finish. And if we go inside users, as you can see, the data will be imported from our CSV into the users table. So this is how you can import data from CSV into a new table or an existing table in MySQL Workbench. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.